All right.
Can I try to be like a cheesy YouTuber?
You can try.
I want to attempt it. Okay. New Age Tactical.
Guys, New Age Tactical back with another video. Kind of going back to our roots.
A knife video. Torture test. We're back.
New Age.
If you guys watch our previous videos, you know we buy stuff ahead of time. A lot of happened. I got COVID. My family got COVID. Christmas, snowstorms, whatever. You know, blame it on anything. This was actually when we took my son shopping. We found this guy and another one, which we'll do in another video. But this was $5 at Walmart. No.
This was $2.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. This was clearance $2. The other one we have is $5.
This is the Ozark Trail. Now, Ozark Trail, that's Walmart's brand, right?
Yeah, that's their camping sleeping bags. That whole section is like...
I mean, this thing is super generic. 6.5-inch pocket knife. 2.75-inch titanium-coated stainless steel blade. Dual thumb stud opener. Straight blade. Rugged glass-filled nylon handle. And a pocket clip. It comes with a pocket clip, guys. This is like a wannabe Griptilian. If I'm thinking of the right model, like a little wannabe Benchmade. It's kind of got that same handle look. Dude, I can bend the blade down with just my finger. Look. The blade moves. You get what you pay for. I mean...
But, can I say if this is $2, then that is a step up from the dollar store knife.
Oh, big time stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's on clearance. What is it normally?
It probably was normally $7, I would say.
Or like $14.99 or something stupid like that.
Yeah.
It's got a halfway decent look. It definitely has that cheap feel, cheap look, like this glass-filled nylon. Like, there's no sharp edges. Like, I mean, it was made right. You know what I mean? Whether the materials are the right ones are a different story. But it's not rough. It's not, like, shoddily made. It seems like it's made well.
I don't know. I do see what you're saying, though. If it is the Griptilian you're thinking of, I do kind of get how it looks like that. Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. I guess so. Yeah. I mean, that's...
Yeah, that's pretty damn close.
Yeah, I was right. Yeah, so the Griptilian.
Ow.
Just rip the hairs out.
It's just mowing right over.
Not at all. It's a struggle.
Oh, the noise.
Never had a knife make that noise before.
Oh. Damn.
That's a first. It is so dull.
From hitting the cardboard and foam board? Like, did it?
Yeah. But look at how... Like, look. It's a butter knife.
So we're kind of skipping the sisal rope just to see if it would even do it on the
I'm going to
table.
start a fire before I can do this. Dude, it's a butter knife. It's not even cutting. Listen.
Hey!
Well, it was sharp.
Okay. That scared me.
A lot of effort, though. And it's on the backward. Wow.
Almost the exact same.
Yeah, I mean, just down to like the carbon.
Yeah.
This makes the spider co look good. Gotcha. Can't wait for the comments on that. Woo! I had to really give it a wiggle to like.
I saw that
chunk,
one. Yeah,
too,
I saw
so
you do like that little.
we don't need to measure that. One more because I screwed up that last one. It chops. I mean, it's doing.
It really does just look like you're moving the wood around. Like you're not actually chopping it, you're just displacing it. Starting off with a new leather test.
What is this, 1/8 inch?
Which we should see how bad it got, because
How bad it got? It was never good.
just pick up, use the piece that's already there.
Oh my god. It did some damage. I mean, this is definitely a smaller can. We don't really want to waste a good can on this knife.
I mean, it made the cut. Try it again.
It made a cut.
I mean...
Is it even making it through all the fibers? Is that why it's not?
So no, because the last two knives, the Bastions, this was perfect. This is all frayed right here.
That's why the corn's not falling out. All right, guys. So like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram. You get what you pay for.
Yo, it was better than the dollar store knife. This is the knife. You're going fishing. You're already in the car and you forgot your knife and you just stop at the store real quick and grab something. Like that's literally like this is to get you through the day.
I think you'd be better off buying a kitchen knife.
Also probable.
In all honesty, not really trying to knock the blade as bad as it is because it's that bad, but it's a butter knife. Like maybe if you want to make a peanut butter and jelly, you need to spread the peanut butter and the jelly and cut white bread. That's your knife.
It really does. I mean, if you guys want any explanation of the knife, just go right back to the sisal rope. The sisal rope just said it all.
There's absolutely no edge to that knife. Walmart brand, Ozark Trail. I've had no luck with Ozark Trail on anything, to be honest with you. So,
I'm pretty sure I have a collapsible water bottle. That's pretty nice.
so this is actually gonna open up a whole new thing. We should get a lot of Ozark Trail and just see how crappy.
Like not just knives.
Like
do the camping as well.
the axe, like everything. This thing sucks. I mean,
Let us know if you want us to do an Ozark Trail deep dive, because that could be interesting.
and guys, we know it's $2. We weren't expecting much from it. I was expecting a little bit more. I was expecting it to at least cut paper pretty easily, and they can't do that.
Nah, stamp.
This is stamp. What? Ain't even in the realm of a
I feel like
stamp.
I just had to say it.
Half an inch of blade play in there. There's no edge on the knife. It feels cheap. The pocket clip digs in your hand. I had to put a glove on after a little bit.
I'm like annoyed that I have to carry this for 2 weeks.
You're not carrying this thing. It's dangerous. Look.
Yeah, I don't know if I should carry this at all.
There's no usability to this knife. Like, this is even going to open a Amazon
It's
package.
true. It's true.
This thing is garbage. The blade literally just gave. Like, there was no hardness to the blade, the steel. Like, we don't know what kind of steel
The
it is.
unknown steel.
But it's titanium coated or whatever they say. But no edge retention whatsoever, if there was even an edge to begin with. Like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram.
Hit the bell.
That work?
I could do it.
Okay. Did I
Check out the merch down below in the
Yeah.
description.
We're gonna come out with a couple designs. Should be fun. Funds our shenanigans on what we do here.
Tomfoolery.
What are you, 80?
Shenanigans? Why is that any better?
Super Troopers.
You can't use one movie as an explanation for why shenanigans is more acceptable than tomfoolery.
Acceptable. Slow motion.
Stroke. Other than that,
New Age Tactical.
over and out.